Hello, welcome to another series of easy repairs for beginners. We have a stopwatch and a Lenovo tab with no power on. One of them it's broken and can't even press it. Let's fix it. This technique is working for every kind of button. It's very common, this fault. Let's see what it is. Okay, let's see what is this very common fault for these buttons. When I'm pressing the metallic circle down, it's not coming up, so it's all well pressed. The technique to fix that is to press a little from behind with a point thing like a screwdriver and make a more curve. Thank you for being here. So if you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you very much. Okay, for the next we have a Lenovo Tab 2 that cannot power on. We will use the amp meter to see the amps and the volts draw. As you can see, when I plug in the power cord, the screen comes on. We have 5 volts and 1 amp. These are very normal values for the Lenovo Tab 2. In every device, always disconnect first the battery. Our best friend is IPA. Always use IPA and 99% to clean the buttons and everything in motherboard. I press a lot of times the buttons to make the IPA go inside.